All right, we are still working on Super Bowl food prep. Okay, I just put this together and realized they ate all my fishy crackers for the board. And I forgot to get the gold coins. That's the big hit. So this is my charcuterie board, but it's not complete yet. But let's see, over here we have a whole bunch of sandwiches that are ordered. And this is a new little gem. This is gonna be a dip, a taco dip. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish you could smell that, you guys. It is like queso, cheesy, fresca yumminess. We have more people that have added their scores. There's not very many people that think the 49ers are gonna win. But so we're plugging right along. All right, we've got our decorations up and Tyler! Oh, look. I just wanted to show off my board before you guys eat it all. Here's my charcuterie board. Doesn't it look so cute? Yummy. Which item's gonna be gone first? My money is on this and those.
Okay, so the kids love these the most?
Kevin, no one eat anymore. No one. Oh my gosh. All right, we are in full swing. We got lots of food. Brigham, what are you eating over here?
Mozzarella sticks.
Are they so good?
Batch number 2 coming at ya.
Lots of dips, chips. Oh my gosh, this is what we could smell for days. Oh, yum, yum, yum. They got sandwiches over here. Well, he has to because he'll get it all over himself.
Okay, so
but I love your plate of ranch.
You ready for the next invention? This is the next big thing. It's called the mealtime hoodie. It's a built-in napkin, and it just says mealtime hoodie. You throw that thing on, you eat your food, your clothes never get dirty, you pull it off, you don't even need a napkin, you're good, you walk away. The mealtime hoodie.
Woohoo! She doesn't remember you. You met her? That's crazy.
Because she was huge in Venezuela.
Talk like that.
Yeah, that's weird. That is called Shakira, bro.
Whoa! Look at that.
Now we're gonna go ahead and get to the ladies. It's like a top of the stadium.
We were winning. Now we're winning. Come on, 49ers.
I have too many people.
Nice. Yes!
Yeah!
Let's go!
I want the 49ers to make a field goal so I can... Yes! Guys, you can pass on! It's 31 to 20, mine's 32 to 21.
You're about to win the Kit Kat, Brigham? We were totally winning. We kind of choked. The rest made some bad calls. But Kansas City always does so much better in the second half. And really, the third quarter they didn't do much, but the fourth quarter they came out so strong. So
I'm 2 numbers off. I did 31 to 21. It's 31 to 20. I'm at 32 to 20.
Whoa.
But now it's 31 to 20.
Okay. So, me, no. Gavin, no. Jake, no. Tyler, no. Kansas City. Kansas City. Robbie said 50, 100. He's out. All right, who else is totally out?
Dawn. I was so...
Dawn. Well, hang on. Oh my gosh. I just had Tyler come and hug me for like 30 seconds. He was like, I don't want to let go. And I'm like, hello, do you know me? Hello, I love snuggles. Like, are you kidding? So I just love you so much. And I'm like, oh, that's nice of you, Tyler. And I walk away. And he's like, I tried to cry, I tried to squeeze out a tear, but it wouldn't come. I'm like, what? It's okay, Tyler. You don't have to cry. As long as you tell me you love me. And he hugged me, gave me a kiss on my cheek. Sweet boy. They said a huge storm was coming. Yeah. I mean, you cannot even... And it's still coming down. Like, really, really well. Holy moly. Look at all this snow. Well over a foot. We got stuck in our driveway, so we had to walk to school. I'm just done. I just finished cross-guarding. But Gavin's just coming. There's like less than half the kids there. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know this was your locker. So school was not canceled, and which is crazy. It was over a foot of snow. And the rule is for cross guards if they change their time to a late start, which all the schools did because there was so much snow, which was good because it needed to be, but it wasn't enough because my road hadn't been plowed. Anyways, and the principal said that at 6 a.m. they plowed the parking lot and then it had already filled back up. Anyways, so the rule was in training that if they change the time to your cross, you don't have to do it because you have other jobs and other commitments or whatever. Well, he sent out a text this morning or an email this morning. Okay, the school started this time. Everyone make sure to do your cross. I was like, suck among us. We were already plowing our huge driveway, which our machine doesn't work. Such a bummer. So we had like 6 shovels. We're all out there shoveling away. So then I walked over here because I still couldn't drive. There was still too much snow. Couldn't even drive. But it was fine because it's close. And I stood outside for a little bit. There's like nobody. There's a few cars that pull right up in front. But not even a lot of cars. So it wasn't like busy. So then I just stood inside with the principal and vice principal and the janitor and the cop and a couple other teachers just watching everyone come in. So here's our road. I mean, look at this. The snow is... I think it was possibly plowed early. But now so many cars have gone on it. What are you guys doing? Well, maybe I should like pull you in the van or something.
Yeah.
You look pretty cool. Whose clothes are those?
These are Will's shirt gave these us, and this is Will's.
Oh, nice.
It's like this thin.
Nice. Look how cute you are. You should put your hood up because it's kind of wet out here.
Well, I
have to show this. Oh my gosh. So our driveway is done, but oh my gosh, this is so much snow. Look how good this looks. Great job, Naderbug. Oh my gosh. Snow for days. I think there's like 17 inches, you guys. It is bonkers. Yeah, I think there was 17 inches because it was a foot this morning. So school wasn't even canceled. It was just a 2-hour delay, which was stupid. So none of them went to school except Gavin because it's right there. And I'm like, you can walk it, dude. We shoveled our driveway, which is a huge driveway because our snowblower doesn't work. Oh, it sucks so bad. Hang on. Let me finish this story and then you can have a turn, okay? So we had to use shovels. We shoveled our driveway twice. We just took we had to dig out the trash cans a minute ago. And we probably should shovel it again and we're not going to. It's supposed to get so cold tonight. It's going to be... That's cold. It's supposed to be ice because it's going to be so cold. So Preston, Nathan, and I dug out the patio just a little bit, just so we could get into the jacuzzi. So it's freezing out there, but it's nice in here. Okay, Robbie, thank you for being so patient. Yes, sweetheart.
Is like church canceled too?
Well, church would have been canceled if today was Sunday, but because it's only Monday, it's not canceled. Thank goodness, huh?
But it was. If it is, that means we don't have church.
That would mean we don't have church if
That's
it's canceled.
correct. That means I can
Oh my gosh, you're crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're crazy. You're gonna sit in the lounge chair right there.
no.
Try to hurry, do it. I dare you.
die.
Oh, get in a suntan. Go all the way back. Get your suntan.
No, I can't. Mom, I can't.
This started at 104. We were like, oh, it's so hot. And now look, 102. Lay back, lay back. Just hurry and do it. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, oh.
Mom, I'm gonna try.
Oh my gosh, we have a lounge chair right. Oh my gosh, he's going. He's going his back. Go on your back again. Hurry, go on your back right now. Oh, hurry all the way back. Oh, yes, like you're lounging, getting a tan.
Oh, I have something intense.
You guys should get on it carefully. Watch me jump.
Ah.
No, come on, ready? I'll get a cannonball.
Okay, I try to press it out.
Cannonball, alrighty.
Cannonball!
Wait.
Ah!
No, I don't want to throw it.
How dare you, Mom?
Oh my
Cannonball!
You gotta like full on dive down the stairs. Like dive.
We're on vacation right now.